Dito naman po sa 3D Lotto game, ang 3 numbers nyo, 4,500 pesos ang panalo. Kapag nag-match sa mapipiling winning combination in exact order, 750 pesos or 1,500 pesos naman ang pwedeng mapanalunan kung nag-Rambolito System Play. Reminder lang po sa lahat, 18 years old and above lamang ang pwedeng makasali at manalo sa mga Lotto games. There you have it, our 3D Lotto winning combination. The first number is 6. For the second number, we have 9. And the third number is 3. Again, our 3D Lotto winning combination for the 9 p.m. draw is 6, 9, and 3 in exact order. Huling game na ng gabi pero hindi magpapauli sa digit panalo. Ito na po ang 2D Lotto game. Dito naman sa 2D Lotto, 4,000 pesos per 10 peso play ang premyo. Kapag nag-match ang dos numeros ninyo sa winning combination in exact order. At kung nanalo by the Rambolito System Play, 2,000 pesos ang take-home prize. Reminder lang po sa mga Lotto winners, you have 1 year to claim your prizes. At narito na po ang resulta ng ating 2D Lotto draw. For the first number, we have 14. And the second number is 18. Recapping tonight's 2D Lotto winning numbers, we have 14 and 18 in exact order.